Hello everyone, welcome back to Joshua's Guitar, and today we're going to be doing a simple slide guitar lesson in Open C tuning. Let's get to it. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go over our tuning right here. So we're going to keep our E string the same. It's an E note. Then we're going to go tune our A string down to a G. Our D string is going to become a C. And our G string is going to stay the same as a G note. Our B string is going to go up to a C. And our high E string is going to stay the same as an E. Okay, so from the top, E, G, C, G, C, E. And that's going to be our Open C tuning for today. So let's get to the lesson. Hello everyone, just a quick break in the video. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you leave a like and hit that like button. And also leave a comment. Do you like me doing these new tuning videos, or maybe Open C, or do you have another tuning that you'd like me to discuss? And yeah, let's get back to the lesson. Okay, so for this lesson, I'm going to be using a pick, although you can use your fingers as well. So let's dig into it. So we're going to go to the 12th fret. Okay, so we're going to go low E string, okay, your 6th string. Okay, then you're going to go to the A string, which is now a G note. And then you're going to go from 12 to 14 on that A string. And then there I'm just sliding into the 12th fret on the 4th string, which is D, which would be your D string, G, and your B string in there. That twice. Then we're going to go, okay, and we're basically sliding into the 8th fret. Really just focusing on the top 5 strings, so we're not really playing this E string. We're sliding into 8 and then back to 7. And now we're into the rhythm. So we're just doing a simple on the A string here, so the 5th string, 2nd fret, okay? Simple little blues pattern, and we're strumming. And then we're going an upstroke on those top treble strings, okay? Okay, and we're going to move into our 4 chord, which is going to be an F, sliding up to the 5th fret. Pretty simple here, we're just doing down. So if you want to, in between that bar, maybe slide back into it, or maybe slide back down into it. Probably, so I would like to slide up into that. Okay, and then we're going to go back to our 1 chord. Okay, and for the turnaround, we're going all the way up to here. To the 7th fret, to the 5th fret, and we're going open, and you're going to put your finger down on that second fret of your 5th string, upstroke, and there I'm doubling up on the G notes here, so it's going to be your 5th string or your A string, and it's going to be your G string or your 3rd string. And then we're doing that same move that we did at the beginning. Okay, back and forth, so up to 8, back to 7, then we're going to start over again. And then to end it off, I usually go back to our lick here. Something like that, or keep it simple. That's going to be it for this lesson of Joshua's guitar. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like, and don't forget to share and comment as well. If you really enjoyed the lessons here at Joshua's Guitar, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out when I post new videos. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this time. Bye for now.